The following troubleshooting steps will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. If you suspect your fan is not working, open the lid and allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. A malfunctioning fan can cause the machine to lightly smoke. Remove the heater cover exposing the fan. Behind the fan is the lid safety switch. When this is pressed, the fan should spin. With fingers clear of the fan, push it briefly to verify the fan is running. If the fan does not spin and needs to be replaced, unplug and turn off the poly strapping machine. To replace the fan, remove the 4 Phillips screws on the fan bracket, locate the cable tie on the fan support bracket and remove it. Loosen the 2 Phillips screws on the barrier strip for the L2 and N2 wires. Then pull the wires out of the strip and remove the fan. Install the new fan and tighten the screws. Insert the wires into the barrier strip. Note, it does not matter which wire goes into the port of the barrier strip. Plug in the poly strapping machine and turn it on. Push the plunger to ensure the new fan is spinning. If your fan spins, install the cover plate and your repair is now complete. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.